Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your fave here, toi.sharae, and today we are going to be doing an upper body 100 rep challenge. So thank you so much to all of you guys that have liked, shared, subscribed, and commented on my last 100 rep squat challenge video. So I figured that we can do like some upper body motion and movements here, especially if you have like that stubborn like arm fat that just like the older you get, it just does not like, it don't want to go, but we're gonna make it go, okay? So for this video, we're just gonna be focusing on our upper body. We are gonna be utilizing some dumbbells. So if you have dumbbells at home, please grab them out of the garage, wherever you have stored them, because honey, you're gonna need them, all right? And if you don't wanna utilize dumbbells, you can do all of these moves without dumbbells. So the great thing about this workout, guys, is that I am going to be here with you from beginning to the end. We are going to do this 100 rep challenge together. Don't bail on me, okay? I need you. All right, so we're gonna be doing this rep challenge together. You have 10 different moves and you have 10 reps for each of the moves. It's really that simple, really that easy, something that is very fun, also doable, but we're gonna go ahead and jump right on into it. But before we do that, do me a huge favor, like this video, comment below if you are excited about this or you're just kind of like, or comment after and let me know how you feel. But the first move that we're gonna be doing, guys, I want you to actually grab your dumbbells. And we are going to do some nice around the world, all right? So, which means that we're gonna have the dumbbells facing outward, and we're gonna make a circle, tap at the top, bring it back down to our thighs. All right, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, bring it around. That's 1, 2, 3, tap it at the top. 4, 5, you only got 5 more left. 6, 7, 8, 9, last one. 10, beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, our next move that we're going to be doing is basically an upright row to a front raise. In 3, 2, 1, bring it up. Front raise, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, nice. 9, last one. 10, beautiful, beautiful. All right, what we're gonna do next here is just some nice rows in a plank position. You're gonna be in a plank, but you're just gonna roll individually. You can also do this on your knees if that helps. In 3, 2, 1, bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, your last one. 10, nice. Let's go ahead and put these right behind us because we're gonna do some tricep dips. Nice tricep dips. Try to put your feet out as far as possible as you can so you can dip a little lower. In 3, 2, 1, bring it down. 1, do not touch the ground. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, our last one. 10. Nice. All right, we're on move number 6, all right? So we're gonna have our elbows lifted high and we're gonna press outwards, all right? In 3, 2, 1, press it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you're almost there. 8, 9, our last one. 10, nice. After that, we're just gonna do a bicep curl to a shoulder press. So this is move 6. In 3, 2, 1. Press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, our last one. 10, beautiful. All right, we're moving on to move number 7, all right? What we're basically gonna do here is just some overhead tricep extension. So you can slightly sit on your butt a little bit here. In 3, 2, 1, bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, our last one. 10, beautiful. We're moving on to move number 8, all right? So what we're gonna do here is just some punches forward, walking forward. In 3, 2, 1, punch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. We're gonna do some undercuts. In 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. I'm loving it. Our last move we're gonna do is a row to a fly, all right? In 3, 2, 1, bring it in. Open, 1, open, 2, open, 3, open, 4, open, 5, open, 6, open, 7, open, 8, open, 9, open, 10. Beautiful. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that 100 rep upper body workout. Feel free to do this multiple times. You could rewind this video and do 200 reps, rewind it again, do 400 reps if that's what you want to do, all right? Please do me a huge favor, like this video, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you for the next one.